Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can select print area in Microsoft Excel. Our today's video is basically consist of these three topics. That is how you can set the print area, how you can select multiple areas for printing on the same spreadsheet, and how you can clear the print area. So first of all, we will see how you can set the print area. Now, what is print area? Print area basically represent that what part of this spreadsheet you want to be printed on the paper. For example, whether you want to whether you want this part of the spreadsheet to be printed on the paper, whether you want this part of the spreadsheet to be printed on the paper, or whatever you want to be printed on the paper. So for that, if you do not select the area, it will all the area will be printed. But if you want the specific area to be printed and you don't want the other, then you have to select the print area. How you can do that, let's see. For that, if for example, first of all, we'll start with how you can set print area. So for setting the print area, if I want these rows to be printed on the paper, I need to select them first. Then I'll go to the page layout. Here in the page setup tab, you need to select the print area and then the set print area. Now it has selected the print area, and now when you press Ctrl plus P for printing, you can see that only that area is appeared here that you have selected by using the print area option. So this is how, so whenever you will print it, you will only get these two rows, while you can see that we have multiple data on this spreadsheet. Keep this in mind. Once you select the print area, it will be saved. So whenever you need to change the print area, you need to select it again. For example, if I want to print this table, then I have to set the print area again. And then if I press Ctrl plus P, you can see that I have 4 rows that can be printed because I have selected these 4 rows or this table for printing by setting it in the print area. So this was how you can set the print area. Next is how you can select multiple areas for printing. So for selecting the multiple areas of printing, let's see how you can do that. For example, if I select this area and then I go to page layout, then I go to print area and I set print area. Now later I want to add more area in this print area. What I can do? What I will do is I will first select these 2 rows, then I will press Ctrl and then I will select this row also, because I want 1, 2 and 4th row to be selected in the print area or to be printed on the page, and I don't want this 3rd row to be printed. Now keep this in mind, when the continuity breaks between the rows, these first 2 rows will be printed on one page and this 4th row will be printed on the next page. So these cannot be printed on the same page because there is no continuity between them. So now I have pressed the Ctrl to select this 4th row also. Then I'll go to this and then I will select set print area. Now when I press Ctrl plus P, you can see that only 2 rows are appearing on this page and the 3rd row is appearing, the last 4th row is appearing on the next page because the continuity breaks between the data. So this is how you can select the multiple rows or you can say the multiple areas or multiple different areas is on the same spreadsheet for printing, but this will cause the printing to be on 2 different pages rather than on the same page. Now if I select this, it will be on the one page, but if I select the 2 different areas that are disconnected from each other, then it will not be printed on the same page. Now the last option is how you can clear the print area. Now if I go to the Ctrl P, you can see that this is the already selected print area. Now I want to clear it. But I can do it, I can go to, again I have to go to page layout, then go to print area, and then what I have to do, I have to clear the print area. Now the print area is cleared. Now if I go to Ctrl P again, you can see that here the entire sheet is being selected, not the only area that I have selected before. So if you select a print area, it will be according to your choice what you want to be printed on the paper. And if you are not selecting, the whole sheet will be considered as the one area. So this is how you can select the different areas or you can set the print area, or how you can select multiple areas for printing in Excel. That's all from today's lecture. Thank you.